Hi everyone, it's Francis. I just finished my third half marathon, Milo National Marathon, Pasay Leg. I finished it for 2 hours and 28 minutes. Hindi siya yung target na finishing time natin kasi gusto ko as much as possible matapos natin yung 21K na mabit yung personal best, but shit happens and I cannot blame. Wala naman akong ibang dapat sisihin kundi sarili ko. So nakita ko lang kung anong laman ng loot bag nila. Kasi sa Ayala Philippine Marathon hindi ko nagawan siya ng video so. Ito yung finisher shirt. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan. Basta finisher shirt. Pocari Sweat. Purina Begin. Sa mga kasama kong tumakbo, FYI lang dog treats to. Boost Optimum Adult Milk. And of course, Milo cereal. Bottled water. Magic Sarap. Uy, kape. Yes, kape ice black. Oyster sauce. KitKat. Nature's Bounty CoQ10. Diba? Vitamins. Ano to? 2,500 voucher para sa Slimmers World. Nesty Iced Tea. More KitKat. And yeah, 20 off sa Red. Alright, ito yung mga laman ng loot bag. Sayang lang, walang walang tawag dito. Wala silang towel. But it is what it is. Anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time.